Hey guys, Hutch here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do an interior maintenance on this Infiniti. It's a monthly client. I am getting ready to detail the interior. Now, I saw this vehicle initially in December and they bring it back every 30 days. So I don't need to use every tool here. This is just my interior cart just in case I need it. But down here I have my vacuum, which is really what I'm going to need today. Vacuum, glass cleaner, which is rinseless in here, rinseless, and then DI water. And then I pick a interior maintenance product, an interior detailer. Today I'm going to use Armor Detail Supply Pilot. I also like to use Drive Auto Appearance Luxe Cockpit Detailer. I like to use Alchemist Car Care Luna and InterQD from CarPro. Those are my 4 favorites that I use as of right now. Basically I mean it's a wipe down, and then in some of the door handles, center consoles, where you get some deep cleaning from Pilot. And then I just use my blow car dryer that's over here on my other cart, my exterior cart. This looks like a mess. If you saw my last video, you know why. But I'll bring Express, P&S Express, just in case I need to get a little more aggressive. And then the rest of these is just in case. These are just in case tools, just in case that you need to use them. But most of the time, you're really only going to need a rag, Pilot, which actually can be your glass cleaner as well. You can use this on glass. So you can use this one product for everything: leather, vinyl, plastic, glass, everything right here. I'll use probably just a brush just to get into some cracks and crevices, and a quick vacuum, and you're good. I mean, it's really easy on an interior maintenance. So let me show you how I perform the interior maintenance on this vehicle. So first I'm going to go ahead and show you the condition of the vehicle. It's pretty standard. When I first got it, it was a lot worse than this, but you can see they use this vehicle. So that's what I'm here for, is clean it up for them. So the protection I used was CarPro Pearl initially on this, and it's been probably about 4 or 5 months since I used it. But as long as I'm using an interior detailer, that will continue to add protection. So this car is protected, it stays protected, so it's not too bad. It's, you know, I do the normal type things: pull the rugs, or the floor mats, pull the floor mats, get all the personal items up, get those in a spot for them so that they can go through them later, and then start on a vacuum and then the wipe down. So I'll show you the process. you my process on this door card. Door panel? Door card? I don't know. Door card, is that a UK thing? Anyways, got some spots here, kind of greasy right here. Got this big spot here, in here, in this handle. So I'm gonna show you my process for a door panel. So, pilot, remember to shake it. A few sprays on the towel. So I wipe where I can wipe. I'm gonna do one more spray for this part. That's looking pretty good already. Let's go ahead and shake it a little bit more. Throw a little bit into our brush. I'm gonna get this handle here, and then get down here where I couldn't reach. And here, and just dry it up. Okay, the door panel is clean and it's protected. So now let me show you my process for the glass. So I have the Autofiber Amphibian drying towel, or glass towel I mean, and just one spray on it. Box it in, go left to right, and then buff it off. Perfectly clean glass. So I have a few spots on the carpets here. I'm gonna just get a little bit of that pilot in there, agitate it just a tad. And use my towel to dry it up. There we go, spots are gone. I'll do a final vacuum on this, it'll be good to go. Okay, so now we're at the center console. So I'll start up top here and we'll just clean up my vents real quick. Some of my hard to reach areas. Start button. You don't need a lot of pilot to clean. Does a really good job cleaning. Couple sprays, leaves it with a matte surface. And I do like to blow dry my vents just to make sure they're dust free and get all the moisture out. Okay, so I'm gonna flip to a clean side of this rag because I want to do the 2 infotainment screens. So I'm gonna just a few sprays. Box it in, go left to right. I'm gonna flip it and dry it. Okay, pilot was able to clean up the infotainment screens here. Now I'm gonna get these side buttons in this gloss black here. Just try to clean up these buttons. the keys, I would pull this all the way, start the vehicle, pull this all the way back and get in there. Of course, unfortunately, the customer forgot to leave me the keys today, so it's not a big deal. I'll get it next time for him. Now I do pre-spray the cup holders, and then for the rest of this, I'm just going to do a quick brush because I want to get in some of these cracks. And then when I get this shift knob as well. Hide right here. Okay, the center console is done. Okay guys, the vehicle is finished. So all that I did after I wiped down all the leather seats, the door panels, did the glass, was I just did a final vac and put the mats back in. And I was really impressed with Pilot, how it was able to get some stains out of these two carpets back here in particular, and then some in the carpet that I showed you over here, and there's a couple in the front seat as well that I got out. But that is my interior maintenance process. I'm just going to move the seat back a little bit. Unfortunately, they do not have a floor mat here, so it just stays like this, but it cleans up pretty nice. So all the leather was wiped down with Pilot. Pilot was used all here. Now see, part of my process too is to come through and just pick up streaks like this a little bit, and then just buff it off like that. It comes right off. So all of this was wiped down, infotainment screens, cup holders, everything. So now it's not only is it clean, but it's protected as well. Pilot does have some protection in it, about 30 days if you use it that often. Yeah, Pilot is used on this gauge cluster as well. The mirror, all the infotainment screens, the leather, the steering wheel, all in the vents. So you can see how maintenance interior detail is different than your standard detail, because in a standard detail it would have been a little more aggressive with the cleaner, with steam. But with this, it's just a nice wipe down, making sure that we're adding protection. So that is my interior maintenance details for my clients. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, give it a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.